Okay, now let's test my fate. I left the GoPro somewhere on the mountain next to a rock. I hope nobody grabs it. And I left my jacket there.
Welcome to Adam's Peak. Ella.
See you later. Jade, look at this guy. Good morning, guys. It is about maybe 5:15 a.m. We're heading to Little Adam Peak.
So this little dog here apparently liked us very much. He's been following us since yesterday at night. And now he's walking all the way with us to Little Adam's Peak. Hello, you. How do you want to call it? You want to call it Adam?
Yeah, how about that? Little Adam.
Little Adam.
Thank you. We see you later. Okay.
Okay. So let's go.
We made it? Oh, wow. It's beautiful. It's windy.
It's absolutely insane, guys. We see lots of mountains with the light coming up, and then it was super misty when we got here in the morning and the clouds just moved away. Hopefully Takyo captures that with some of the time lapses. It's so beautiful, and it's really hard to describe, so we'll try to capture this as much as we can for you guys.
So how do you love this place?
I absolutely adore it, but now I'm hungry. Let's go get some breakfast back at the Airbnb. Okay guys, I told you the reason why I booked this Airbnb is because of the view. Look at this. And we're gonna have our breakfast outside as well. Come on. How beautiful is that?
Oh wow, look at the view.
Yeah, that's Ella's Peak.
Okay, it's very high.
Yeah, I think that's what we saw. That was Adam's Peak over there. And I think Ella's Peak is the one we saw from Adam's Peak. We're looking at each other.
Oh.
And look, there's a table for breakfast. And Maruna is preparing a breakfast right now. So we're gonna have it right before going to the 9 Arch Bridge. If you guys have never used Airbnb, don't forget we do have a referral link in the description box that will allow you to get $45 rebate on your first booking, and that's how we choose all those beautiful locations where to stay. Those pancake with sweet coconut and honey inside, some bread, eggs here.
heading to the 9 Arc Bridge. I'm so excited to go there. It's a beautiful location. It's one of the landmark here in Ella, and there's train passing by, but I think we're not gonna get the train. And our tuk-tuk is here. Hi.
Hi.
Just got off the tuk-tuk. From here it's about
10-minute walk to the 9 Arc Bridge.
Okay, so Jade wants her perfect picture from the bottom of the bridge, and we found a small entrance here. You sure you want to do this, Jade?
No choice.
It's very slippery here. Okay, from here it's gonna be slippery, Jade. Okay guys, sitting from here, if anything happened, well, you know what, I'm gonna leave the channel to this beautiful lady here. We're running out of time. We only have a couple minutes to get back to the Airbnb, check out.
We're driving to Marisa later today, so beach pictures, here we come.
Thank you so much. You are very kind. Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, as usual, I have to have one event when I hurt myself for every trip. So I cut myself, obviously, on a tea plant while going down on the 9 Arc Bridge.
Ouch, this is nasty.
Yeah, and I showed this to the pharmacist and he was like, what happened to you? We're gonna put some cream on that.
That was for an Instagram picture, guys. Be careful.
Yeah, now I really admire those who got the perfect picture at the really bottom of the bridge, because I know those are die hard. It's really hard to get there.
Yeah, it's so slippery.
Yeah, it's all swollen.
After that, if you get through all that, you have to meet with some, how do you call that?
Leeches. There are leeches there.
Yeah, she got 2 bites of the leeches, I got 1, and some people got so many stick on their bags.
Yeah, just be careful. It's not that bad. I mean, it doesn't really, it hurts just a little bit. It's not that bad. You just have to take it off.
Yeah, it's like a massage.
Oh, stop it. It's not that great, but it's not a bad thing actually. Like, leeches were used for medicinal use for a long time, but it's just, you know, be careful if you go there. Do you sell banana here?
You really want to stop here?
No, no.
She just bought 1 kilo of bananas.
Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlet J and then that'll eat P. What you gonna do with all that cash?
Okay, this seller must make full of money. Today it's the good day.
Would you like some banana? I have extra.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, we just found our Airbnb. It looks like Jade's trying to break an entry. Did you find a way?
What you gonna do with all that green? I'm gonna feed my monkeys with it. They all hang out by the...
Can we have that tour?
Yes. A very large shower. And then that will be the room. You can see the garden and the entrance from there.
Oh.
And what I love the most, mosquito nets. Just the best. So that's a beautiful kitchen. We have a water cooler, which is really cool for water, so we don't have to go out and find water at all time. And then we have a nice fridge here. So it's actually the first one where I could cut fruits and cook a little bit. Well, then maybe not cooking, but you know, buying some actual fruits that I can cut up.
Yeah, I was about to say something, but okay.
I love eating fruits, okay?
Jade, you're going mad with that thing.
This kills mosquitoes, okay? Yeah, there are tons of mosquitoes
Yeah, she
waiting for
already
us.
had a bite there.
Two. Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go,
There you go. But guys, it is like this all over Sri Lanka. So bring yourself a mosquito repellent and, you know, be prepared to pay some mosquito tax.
So we're resuming your regularly scheduled beach vlogs. Starting now, we're only going to be on beaches every single day until the end. So stay tuned if you're a fan of beaches like us.
Okay, quick. We have to go catch up that sunset. Woo, feet on the sand. How does it feel, Jade?
Feels good, huh?
Yeah. Inhale that.
Yeah, the salty air. The water here is beautiful.
We
nice
really
color.
love beaches.
And the surf spots. Look at all the surfers.
Oh, wow. Hey, if tomorrow I can, you know, put my drone up there and film those surfers.
Yeah, that'd be good. So there's a happy hour here and we still have 1 hour left of happy hour, and it's only about $3 per cocktail.
Hello, Ducky. Look at that smiley face.
I'm definitely a beach girl, okay? Like the wind, the salt. But I did have a huge checklist of things to do in Sri Lanka where we're really happy that we checked off every single item on our list. So now we can just enjoy all the beautiful different beaches on the coast up to Colombo until the very end.
Guys, after a long journey like this, we're gonna leave you guys on a beautiful sunset and get some rest. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, click on the like button also. It really helps us to grow, and leave us your comment. We love to read your comments. Goodbye guys.